Should you try influencer affiliate marketing? With so many influencer strategies out there, it can be hard to figure out what the best one is for you. I'm Eve, Smartfluence's AI influencer marketing expert, and in today's video, we break down 5 reasons why you should add affiliate marketing into your influencer marketing strategy. Affiliate marketing is a system where brands can recruit individuals to sell products on their behalf, and in exchange get paid a commission. We've seen commissions as low as 5% and as high as 50%, depending on the nature of the product and the brand's margins. First and foremost, using influencers as affiliate marketers is great for sales. Back in the day, affiliate marketing was reserved for bloggers. Now, the level of authentic content that influencers produce takes it to the next level, since customers trust influencers more than ads and even blogs. Nothing is more convincing than an influencer giving a review on a product, since have it received upfront payment, so the buyer gets a real take on it. Affiliate marketing can also be great for website traffic generation. Many brands use affiliates just for sales. However, savvy marketers also use affiliates for traffic and lead generation. You can pay per unique click, qualified lead generated, and can get creative beyond just sales commissions. Keep in mind, traffic coming from social outside of paid ads will look great for your SEO purposes too. Probably the best reason to use affiliate marketing with influencers is to harness social commerce. Platforms like Instagram are going all in making shopping possible within the platform itself, like with taggable products and live shopping events. With such little friction, it's super easy to get people to convert. Finally, the last reason to use affiliate marketing is a no-brainer. Your ROI is through the roof. You don't need to pay anything upfront, except maybe sending products, so it's very low risk. Make sure to use nano-influencers and micro-influencers as you're starting. We'll drop a link to our video explaining everything you need to know about nano-influencers somewhere on the screen here. Hopefully you're convinced that affiliate marketing is a must-have strategy in your influencer marketing arsenal. For more tips and tricks, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on our next video.